have a new antenna set up. There's this FM station, never heard before.
Yeah, well, I appreciate the call. I learned something that I did not know, and I appreciate that. Summer daylight savings time. Let's go to Mr. Realistic. He's in Springfield. Couple more calls to get through here on Free for All Friday. Not that we
daylight
get to, it's what get through. No, we get to talk to these callers. Mr.
Anyway. It's weird.
Increases mobility and boosts.
Something really weak. What the camera's doing.
Founding principles and the lead.
Because someone has prevented you from receiving your inheritance. Or you may be stunned that your father has...
Damn it, I want my inheritance.
...and stealing his money.
Let's hear what this
happens
is.
all the time. Every day, Terry Peck and the Peck Ritchie Law Firm help families like yours fight for what's right. He's Illinois' premier elder law attorney.
Illinois. Oh, yeah.
And you may be one of the
Success.
families in the midst of an argument after a parent dies. How are mom and dad's assets being distributed? What's the law say? What's fair to you and your family? Terry Peck and the Peck Ritchie Law Firm will help. The initial consultation's free. Call 312-201-0900. 312-201-0900.
There's the time, Central Time.
Your inheritance go to someone else.
DFW.
Call Peck Ritchie, 312-201-0900. Peck Ritchie, winning solutions in and out of the courtroom.
Someone had a birthday.
Yep, 50. Can't believe it.
50 years of wisdom.
Great segue. We have a health reminder from the CDC.
Pneumococcal vaccination is recommended for adults 50 or older. Says here, we're over 6 times more likely to be hospitalized with pneumococcal pneumonia than adults under 50.
I had pneumonia in 2000.
Same. Look what I found. Pfizer's Prevnar 20 is proven to help protect adults against pneumococcal pneumonia and invasive pneumococcal disease in just 1 dose. And millions have already gotten it.
Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you have a severe allergy to its ingredients. A weakened immune system will lower your response. Common side effects include injection site pain and swelling, fatigue, headache, muscle and joint pain. For full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-2138. Visit Prevnar20.com
Anyway, let's just cut to the chase.
Doctor or pharmacist. I'm on Prevnar20.com now, scheduling my appointment.
Good idea. Happy 50th.
I'm Molly James, and I really want to hear from you, but not now. This is a replay, so don't call.
Nope.
Do call. Monday through Thursday nights from 10 to 1, right here on WGN Radio.
Good to hear you. Oh, nice. That is WG. Okay. It's a freaking boss. I'm probably gonna have to cut that out for copyright. Once over there, I got WGN without an antenna, and there's video proof. So that's a success. That was the one I had earlier, but I should switch to that one. But I'd have to put a baling on. I don't need a baling with this one. Cool, WGN.
I appreciate it. All right.
right.
you, sir.
Good stuff, Sherry. Call back anytime. Sherry's good peeps. Hey, does anybody want to go to Duke's place? Anybody want to go to Duke's place? Yeah. I like a little Duke Seabird. It's going old school, man. That's old school right there. Little Duke Seabirds for you. All right. That's going to do it for us.
Who?
And, yeah, a little ode to the man. Larry King, ladies and gentlemen. May God rest his soul. What a character and full count he was. And we get to sit here in this chair every single night. And don't think it's not an honor of a lifetime. That's going to do it for us. For the week, we're done. Thanks for calling, checking in. Don't forget the text line and the voicemail, 184-14-ROCK. Our executive director tonight is Tom Glass. Thanks, Tom, for filling in. Great job. Alex will be back on Monday. Our engineer tonight is Richard Good. He's good. I'm LeBron Milligan, and this is America at Night on the Westwood One. Roy!
Hey, you okay? You don't know we missed those.
On that mission, because that was God's plan. So, last turn. Facebook group. Content application. Bigger online health questions required.
The Animal Rescue Week's largest cat event of the year is on July 23rd at the Rewind Hotel in West Des Moines. Join AFL
Iowa.
tonight. Out benefiting the thousands of cats and kittens that enter the shelter each and every year. Attendees will enjoy a kitten cuddle lounge, appetizers, a silent auction, and more. Each ticket purchase helps pets in need, so get your tickets today at arl-iowa.org. Tell them
Iowa, nice.
Identity theft can cost more than you think.
Identity
Investment
theft,
accounts,
not
stolen
nice.
tax returns, lost wages, expenses for lawyers. It's a lot.
So I want to watch
That's why
station this
LifeLock
is.
back.
Portions of the following program will be recorded. This is the voice of Iowa. WHO AM, Des Moines, KDRB FM, HD2 Des Moines, and iHeartRadio station. Guaranteed human.
Oh, there it is.
WHO Radio News on the voice of Iowa. News Radio 1040 WHO.
The back and forth
WHO.
tension in Iran continues with the White House. The U.S. is
News on
demanding
the
that
hour.
Iran publicly state
Yes.
that the Strait of Hormuz is open. A senior U.S. official told News Nation on Friday that there won't be, quote, a
radio's
good
awesome.
outcome if they refuse.
Gee,
This
he's good at
comes
the
as the two
accent, too.
countries traded strikes earlier in the week.
This
President
one,
Trump says
not so
Iran wants to
much. Haven't
continue
tried,
talks,
though, so
and the
should
U.S.
say
has
that.
agreed to do so. However, in a post on True Social, Trump
We got
said he
WGN
told
again,
Iran
and
that
this
the
station.
ceasefire is over. Talks between the countries are reportedly
Volume's
taking
kinda
place in Oman on Saturday. Graham Plattner has officially dropped out of the race for Senate in Maine. Plattner filed
Sounds like our signal's dropping out.
Secretary of State officially in
Turn it up all the way.
Maine. He has said he was waiting until Monday to officially.
I'm gonna turn the light off, but
California Governor
here's fluorescent. You only get that pop from the inrush current or something like that.
Federal investigation against him continues. Nina Kodiak has this story.
Newsom says the move is purely political and that people were directed to find something.
Just directed. Find something. It says everything we need to know about the United States of America under Donald Trump.
At a public event yesterday, Newsom said the U.S. Department of Justice has not contacted him or his wife, Jennifer Newsom. He says they've not been asked.
Además de consultar tu expediente médico y ubicar tu centro de salud, el registro ya inició. Es gratuito y gradual, según tu edad y apellido. Conoce los requisitos en www.gov.mx/bienestar y regístrate en los módulos de bienestar. La honestidad y el amor al pueblo dan resultados. Gobierno de México.
Cada generación recibe una semilla.
At Sandberg Phoenix, we're more than just a law. We're partners
What?
committed to you, your business, and your community. From family law to litigation, we're ready to serve. Visit SandbergPhoenix.com. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based
No, it's
solely on
just a name,
advertising.
not a
Baron Mirror Glass and Door, simply the finest when it comes to mirror glass and shower
Come on,
doors.
it's gotta
You
be
can't
local.
find better quality, prices, or service than at Baron Mirror Glass and Door. They have the basics all the way up to the elite. Baron Mirror Glass and Door can't be beat.
Hi everybody, it's Ozzie Smith. This one isn't much of a secret. Schnucks has the best meat in town. It's fresh, high quality, and they always have what you're looking for. They have expert butchers right there in the store, grinding beef multiple times a day, stuffing sausage links, and hand trimming steaks.
Maybe it's
They'll
not
cook it just how you like it, and they'll even give you tips and tricks on how to turn you into a backyard grilling star. Another tip from me, get the Schnucks Butcher Bundle. It's 4 family-sized packages of meat for just $19.96. The best meat in town at Schnucks, the friendliest stores in town.
Rawlings, the #1 baseball brand worldwide and the mark of a pro since 1887, invites you to the Rawlings Experience, now open in Westport Plaza. The Rawlings Experience features the iconic brand's full line of baseball and softball gear. And you can learn about the history of gloves in the Rawlings Glove Vault, where you can design your own custom glove. Then test out our best in the Welcome to Trevor's GMT Auto Sales in Florissant and O'Fallon, Missouri. GMT has a huge selection of cars, trucks, SUVs.
Earlier that was coming in really clear a few minutes
ago. We have
ago.
every price range and every manufacturer. Chevy, Ford, Ram, Lexus, Mercedes, BMW. Trevor's has new vehicles coming in daily with over 500 late model vehicles in stock. Most still under full factory warranty. We also buy cars and RVs for cash. All of our vehicles are fully serviced and inspected. Come visit us at TrevorsAutomotiveGroup.com.
Redbird Radio, KMOX.
This copyrighted broadcast is presented
KMOX.
by the St. Louis Cardinals LLC. It may not be
I think I've done that. I heard that one.
The accounts and descriptions of this game may not be disseminated without the express written consent of the St.
Cool.
Louis Cardinals.
This is a complete success.
For your favorite radio stations, iHeartRadio will be there for you on your Google Home, Google Mini, Android TV,
More stations fighting. There's 3 of them right there. One's music, one's talk, one's iHeartRadio.
Everywhere you want to listen.
It's August. No, it's not. It's July 11th.
Saved by the Scam.org. Brought to you by the American Lung Association and the Ad Council.
What he... Pochettino continue managing this team in 2030?
I think he did a good job overall in trying to
Shove a dictionary up your backside sideways, number 1. I'm of the mindset that when you screw up, you get slapped hard enough to make you scared to screw up again. That's how peace is achieved. Ta-da! They tell me we're a country that has the best principles.
The Dana Show with Dana Lash.
Average 1/10 of 1%. A bull rider, that looks pretty dangerous. It's 1/10 of 1%. No.
It's time now to turn off the lights. Join me for another.
There's 2 stations. Still 2 stations. One's talking, one's playing music.
Former teammates Bam Adebayo and Tyler Hero had a physical contact. He went to the NBA Finals. I can thank you.
1630 and 970, the Black Information Network. We start with BI. Who's current?
I don't think we got WSM. What was that? Foo Fighters. Probably some intro to someone's show. I guess I'll stick around on here for a minute or so. Probably have to chop this up and copyright. And I'm gonna sneeze. Here we go. Cool Spanish station playing hits. Cool. Don't know what station this is. That's cool. I don't know, it could be in Oklahoma, could be New Mexico, I don't know. Could be Houston, I don't know.
Political power to keep. Single one of them.
Whoa.
But I'm sure they will.
Maybe that's WSM right there. Anyway, that's it for now.